And my hive just swarmed right in front of me. I missed it by a day. There it is. I'm just waiting for him to hopefully grab one of these tree branches, and then I'll put him in a new hive, hopefully. I thought I had it. See them all? You walk right in, they don't care about you at all. They're just trying to find the queen. You gotta let them settle down, see? Listen. There's my swarm of bees. There they are. Now I gotta figure out how to get them. I have a hive set up right below the tree, but I gotta get that pile of bees into that box. There it is. So there they are. I put them all in there in this little hive. It's an empty hive. I didn't see the queen, but I got probably 95% of the bees in there. Close to 100% of the bees. There are no bees flying around the tree anymore. There's a few here and there, but there's a lot of activity in there. So let's hope that we save the swarm. So here's my swarm hive. I came back the next day to check on it, and an animal got into it. It's not a bear. I have no idea what it is, but it's totally destroyed. That beautiful swarm of bees. They're gone. Everything's destroyed. That's what happens. Okay.